What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV, and today we are coming to you from Atlanta, Georgia. We are right outside of Olympic Park right here, where the flame was from the 1996 Olympics. Let's go walk around. All right, guys, we're going to take you guys all across Atlanta downtown here by the Olympic Park, and then we're going to take you up to Buckhead in this actual Atlanta travel guide. Okay, so Atlanta has a population of 488,000, almost 500,000 people, but if you include the entire metropolitan area, it's upwards of 6 million people in Atlanta, making it one of the largest metro areas in all of the country. Here we are outside of the CNN World Headquarters, as you can see right behind me at the Omni Hotel. We'll show you guys around in there. Inside the Omni Hotel here, where the CNN World Headquarters is, it mostly revolves around the experience for CNN. So when you guys stay here, which we chose to, you get a fairly lavish hotel with views, basically looking in all directions over at the CNN newsroom. And here is a look at the room in the Omni Hotel. The room there did cost about $125 plus tax and everything. You should be under $150 if you should so choose to actually stay at the Omni Hotel out here in Atlanta. I really hope you like CNN if you're going to stay at this hotel, because you're going to get view of CNN's newsroom. Right in the middle of Atlanta is this Olympic Park, and it's green. It's like a grassy knoll. And there's a great deal of history here, because Atlanta Olympics in 1996 were held here, and they were the centennial of the 1896 Summer Olympics in Athens. So these Atlanta Olympics, quite the event. They were one of the biggest Olympic events in modern history, actually, but at least here in the United States, I would say, more than anything. And down here you will see the Olympic torches that exist down here, as well as a Ferris wheel, the College Football Hall of Fame, which we'll be showing you. And it's right next door to the CNN Omni Hotel, like we just showed you before, as well as the Georgia Aquarium, which we will be going by that, and the Coca-Cola History Museum. And as we continue this tour around Atlanta, if you guys enjoy videos like this, please consider subscribing and liking the video if you guys enjoy this video here. All right, guys, Atlanta's population is around 500,000 people. It is a subtropical climate, and it's known for the historical restaurants, museums, and the culture. And we're going to show you guys all of that right now. All right, when you come down to Atlanta, you'll notice they have the College Football Hall of Fame right next to the CNN and Omni complex. So right over here, you'll learn all about American college football. Oh, all across Atlanta, they have these scooters that people are riding. So you can rent one, or you can be on the lookout for one. The College Football Hall of Fame is right here on Marietta Street and Park Avenue West. So out here in Atlanta, one of the top things that you're going to want to do and check out is going to be the aquarium. This here aquarium has whale sharks, and it's considered the best aquarium in all of America because of the size and what's in those tanks. The whale sharks, the big manta rays, and they even have a shark exhibit reef that's quite unique also. So we'll go over there and show you guys just how much it costs to check out this aquarium. So tickets to the aquarium are $39 for general admission, and if you're bringing children, it's $36.95. Seniors also $36.95. So they do have an all-year pass, city pass that you can get for $77, which includes other places that we'll be showing you around this tour. this here is the world of Coca-Cola. Inside there they have a history about Coca-Cola, what it was originally made from, and then who created it, as well as some of the diverse Coca-Cola flavors from Fantas and whatnot all across the world that you can try at the very end. And here we are in front of the Center for Human Rights, right here, Civil Rights and Human Rights Museum. All right, here we are on Peachtree Street. This is in front of the Carnegie Advancement Memorial. And if you turn around this way, we're gonna walk right down here, and this is Peachtree Street. All right, so here we go. We're going down Peachtree Street now. There's many hotels down here in Atlanta that you could stay. In this case, we have the Hyatt Regency, but they've got many up and down the Peachtree Center, and they actually have an Atlanta Underground down here. So when it's really hot in the summertime, you can escape down below Atlanta into some of these underground malls and cities. Now, keep walking this way, there's gonna be a lot of restaurants that we're gonna bump into. We might even stop and get a beer. Peachtree Street is also the financial district of Atlanta. As you'll see, lots of banks down here. You have SunTrust, you have Wells Fargo, all those towers. It's the financial district. This isn't the Atlanta Underground, but this is one of the underground malls and areas that you can hang out. This is called Peachtree Center. If you wanted to ride the train, you could do that here, as you see right down here. Yeah, as you could see, many towers and high-rises with resort hotels right here on the actual Peachtree Street, which I consider to be the main artery of downtown Atlanta. So as you cruise around here, you'll notice that they do have an underground that you can get a relief from the cold weather in the winter and the hot weather in the summer. But the time of year we were here in May, it was just perfect weather, really. I mean, it wasn't too muggy or anything like that. So after we finish showing you guys around downtown Atlanta, we're going to take you guys uptown a bit to the Buckhead area. And Buckhead's more of an upscale, chic environment where people live in high-rise towers, or it's more of a posh area of Atlanta for shopping and high-end dining, I would say. This area here is the Fairleigh Poplar District. They also have the dance and Theater Museum, as well as the Atlanta Courthouse right here. And there is a look at the Mercedes-Benz Stadium. That there is where the Atlanta Falcons get down to business. Now, the Braves Stadium is just outside of the city, and you're coming in from Hartsfield International Airport, which is actually the most busy airport in the United States. You will see the old Fulton County on the right side of the road as you're approaching into downtown. Here we are in Buckhead. We're gonna walk around, show you guys Buckhead Avenue, Buckhead District, show you guys this whole area. This is one of the top places you'll come past Midtown in Atlanta. All right, so this here is called Jenny's. It's some of the best ice cream. You can see this long line right here. People waiting to get their ice cream. And right next door is the Velvet Taco.
I'll take your lunch ready.
So you said the W there. Good. So these here are called loaded wedges. All right, guys, that's going to conclude this episode of Atlanta Travel Guide 2021. See you guys on the next one. Watch some more of these other videos.